All right, welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Today, I got the parts coming in for the Jeep, the locker, and the C-clip eliminator. But here's what I'm doing today. Let me flip this around for y'all. Today, well, not really doing much. I said let me flip it around. But anyways, whatever. I was able to clean out the back of the hard body. It had tons of spare parts, but it had this unique bed setup. And I kind of want to get rid of it just so I can take the bed cap off. I'm probably going to keep this truck for like a month and a half, just because I'm waiting for the actual plate to come in and the title for it. So I'm going to hold on to it. But I kind of want to roll around with the bed off, but I don't want this to get exposed by the weather. So I posted it for sale. If anybody wants it, let me know. The top I'm keeping unless I can get a good deal for it. You never know. So I got the locker. I'm gonna open it. So it's brand new locker. Here's what it says. So turn it around. This what came in it. I mean, it's simple shit. Got all the pins and everything that comes with it. The thing that I want to see, that I believe broke on mine, where's my knife at, is the teeth on the other side. So let's take a look at that. So my teeth were kind of rounded off and it wasn't engaging. So hopefully this new locker will be better. Let's check the other side. Yeah, and the other side is pretty new too. Well, of course, it's a brand new locker, but yeah, it looks good. So I'm probably going to be installing this tomorrow or sometime this weekend. I am waiting for my 8.8 C-clip eliminator to come in. So when that comes in, I just want to install it all at the same time. So they got to drop the actual the C-clip eliminator off in a truck? That's fucking weird. I seen that they came in their electric vans. I thought that was it, but I guess not. We'll see how this goes. Well, they dropped the C-clip eliminator stuff off. Came with axle shafts, bearings, and chromoly shafts. So this is gonna be nice. Yeah, I probably won't start it today because we got some stuff going on. But probably tomorrow morning, I'll go through and I'll let you guys know what's in there. So I got another surprise for my hard body. Something, even though I'm gonna sell it in a month, I wanted to try it out. This is a powered sub, so the amp and everything comes inside of it. So I'm about to go actually cut the box open and test fit it, see if it fits where I want it. So I'm working on this, but I'm not gonna focus on this video purposes. I am gonna start tearing this apart, so I'm gonna take the wheels off. I'm gonna try to get the locker, wheels, and shafts out today because I bought this without doing any research on how it goes together. I was planning on just figuring it out, but I'd rather do it the right way and do some research on it first. So I'm gonna do some research on this, see how to put it back together, and then yeah, I'll be working on both of them. So I got the C-clip eliminator pulled out. This is what it comes with. These right here. Extra bearings and seals. Let's go over here. The Yukon box. I did already tear the Jeep apart. I wasn't really trying to record all that because you guys already seen me do that tons of times. But it also came with 2 shafts. So yeah, let me look up some instructions because obviously I never done this before. All right, guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is as far as I got today. This side is still together, which I'm gonna leave. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Got the old locker on the ground. Got all my stuff scattered. I've been inside. We had a cookout. So you're supposed to shorten the tube a little bit. You're supposed to make it flush. I had the smart idea of cutting it with the bearing on it. As you can see, I made a mess. So tomorrow I'm going to get a bearing puller, clean it up so I can install the the spacer, yeah, it's all dirty. I gotta clean everything up before I put it back on, but I'm going to get a bearing puller and maybe a press tomorrow so I can put that back together. And I did, when cutting it, I got some, oh man, that's actually a lot. Fuck. Yeah, guess I got some sparks. I hit the Z. Oh, that's what I get for trying to work with my car in the garage. So, yeah, whatever. Tomorrow I know to move the car out. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when I'm actually working on it. All right, so I worked on it a little tonight. I'm missing a piece. It has to be around here somewhere because it came off the Jeep. It's the piece that engages the parking brake when I pull my brake. Let's see. Let me stop. So I just stopped that video and I just found it. It was on the ground. So this is perfect. I'm going to put this on tomorrow. It goes up in there. So I guess when I hit my parking brake, this engages. So I'll figure out how to put it on tomorrow. But I cut off the end of the tube on both sides. I put the spacer in. I do have the press. I'm gonna press those bearings on the axle shafts. And the locker is already in. So yeah, pretty much just putting it back together now. It's just I don't want to be out here working all night. I want to relax, eat, and spend some time with my wife. So this can wait. And I'll let you guys know when I work on it tomorrow. All right. So I last left off of putting the brakes on. I still got to put that side together. But I got my press assembled. This is a little crooked. I'm hoping it straightens out when I start going down. I have everything in the order that it's supposed to be. So I'm about to press it on. So I know this video's been all over the place, but some progress. I've been working on it like for a couple hours a night. I know this is like a hour, 2 hour job. It's just, I bought the wrong press. The press sucked. So I had to get a new one. I'm waiting for my buddy to drop off the press. He did it for me while I was at work. But all I got to do is just press in the bushing, put everything together, and it's good to go. And speaking of Casey, here he goes, showing up with my press. He built it for me. He went to go get it and built it. So I'm about to take that down and finish it up. So I had the 12-ton shop jack. It didn't work. I got this one. It worked. I tried topping it off, kind of messed it up. Just got to take the top part back. But Casey needs to get his stuff out of my way. I got one shaft in. I got everything pressed on it. And here's the other one. Everything is pressed on it the way it's supposed to be. So I'm about to put it in and put the Jeep back together and throw some fluid in it. So I put everything together and now this is happening. So it stops. Can't move it. It'll go around and then stop again. Just keeps doing that. Just stops. All right, so it's back. I just drove up my little test hill. I just slid the Jeep with ease. Both wheels are spinning. Locker's working. C-clip eliminator is good to go. So yeah, let me stop driving and I'll talk to you about what happened. Look what's out of the garage, finally. So the C-clip eliminator isn't a hard install. The only thing that happened for me is I bought a 12-ton press. I tried to press those bearings on, but that did not work. It only got them a certain amount of the way, not all the way. I had to go out by the 20-ton. Once I did that, that worked. So now, more upgrades. The Jeep now has a C-clip eliminator by Yukon chromoly axle shafts. And yeah, now this rear end is stronger. The only thing I want to do to it now is maybe in the future triangulate it and put a truss on it. But as of now, I say as of now because I always break the dumbest stuff on this Jeep. But as of now, this Jeep is good to go. What I'm gonna do now for you guys is go home, edit this video, I'm about to be on my way to Barrett Jackson. I got some tickets for that. Oh, and the hard body sold. No more hard body. I told you guys I wanted to keep it for a little bit. I actually changed my mind. I decided that I have too much cars in my house and I should just focus on the stuff that I got. There's only one car I want to keep. If I buy, I'll throw that down right here. That was my dream car since I was a kid, so I've been looking for one. If anybody knows where one's at, I want a 88 through 92. If anybody knows where one at, just drop it below in the comments. But with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more.